Are you giving your child all the right ingredients for good health, but still not seeing the results you hope for? Hi, I'm Dr. Heather Rice from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Imagine baking a cake with all organic ingredients, but using the wrong recipe. It won't turn out well. Health works the same way. You can provide great nutrition, sleep, exercise, supplements, and positive routines, but without the nervous system, which holds the recipe for health, the body can't use those ingredients properly. Chiropractic care ensures the nervous system can coordinate all the parts of the health the way it's designed to. Here's your action step. Choose the health ingredient to focus on, and this week, make sure the recipe, the nervous system, is getting what it needs.